Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Gamespot. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in gamespot.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Gamespot website. Now in order to create a new account, click on the account icon at the top right corner and you will end up within the sign up and login page. In order to sign up, use the left section and you can use your Facebook, Twitter or Google account to sign up with a shortcut. Otherwise, just enter your preferred username and then enter your preferred email address. You can then enter your preferred account password and then type it in once again within the repeat password box. Finally, click on I'm not a robot to verify your identity and then click on the create account button. Once you click on this, you will be directly signed up for your account and now you can begin using Gamespot right away. If you wish to edit any of your profile information, you can hover over to the profile icon at the top right corner and change these from the settings page. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Gamespot. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.